Stop saying disprove. This one word makes you sound 10x smarter. Refute. Pronounce it like refyoot. The first syllable, re, is short, and the second syllable, fyoot, rhymes with cute. It means to prove a statement, theory, or accusation to be wrong or false. The defense lawyer presented a clear video timestamp to refute the prosecutor's claim that his client was at the crime scene. Instead of saying disprove, say refute to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word refute in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.